Hey everyone, this is Bhavya and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be creating this neon makeup or a bright makeup for Indian college girls. This makeup can be carried easily during college festivals or rock concert, and I personally think this will look really very cool and different. So if you're interested in how I got this look, then please keep on watching this video. I'm going to start with first prepping my skin. I'm going to prep my skin using PAC Makeup Moisturiser and massage it gently all over my face and neck. Next, I'm going to go ahead with Colorbar Perfect Match Primer and apply on the areas where I have pores, that is on my chin, forehead, sides of my nose, and massage and blend it gently. And then I'm going to go ahead with a corrector correct my pimples. I have also posted a video on how to hide your pimples here, so go ahead and check that out. I'm going to apply the green corrector on my pimples so that I can correct the redness. I'm going to take a very little amount and then apply. Next, I will be taking my MAC MAC Mineralise Foundation, and then I'm gonna bounce it with a beauty blender all over my face and blend it till I'm happy with the coverage and everything. And now I'm going to take LA Girl Pro Conceal HD in the shade Ivory and conceal my dark circles. And whatever is left on the sponge, I'm going to apply it later around my lips so that whatever pigmentation is there is also hidden with the concealer. I'm gonna again apply a second coat of concealer because I was not quite happy with the coverage. This generally doesn't happen with this concealer, but I don't know what went wrong this time. So I went ahead and again I have concealed my dark circles, and this time I was quite happy. And now to set my base makeup, I will be using this Matte Look Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. This is the first time I'm using it. The quality of powder is really good. It is very smooth and soft and it is quite easy to blend, but I could see a small hint of orange tint on my face when I started applying it, and I was not quite happy with it, but any which ways I just went ahead and continued with the rest of my look. And now I'm going to fill my eyebrows using Nykaa Brow Chika Wow. You guys know this is my favorite eyebrow pencil. And then I'm going to set my eyebrows with Maybelline Fashion Brow Pomade. I have reviewed these two products on my website, that is on glossshop.com, so don't forget to check out the review. Next, I'll be using this beautiful Swiss Beauty Baked Eyeshadow palette. I purchased this palette from an Instagram shop. The link of that Instagram shop is in the description bar below, so don't forget to check that out. And I'm going to take that yellow shade and apply it all over my eyelid with a flat brush, and then using a blender brush, that is a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend the corners or the edges of my eyeshadow so that everything looks smooth and blended. And then again I'm gonna intensify the color by using the same yellow eyeshadow and tap it on my eyelid. Next, I'm going to take this blue eyeliner by Lotus and draw a reversed winged liner on my lower lash line. Now, the trick to get this perfect reversed wing liner without any crooked lines is to look straight in the mirror and look downwards so that the skin under your eye area is smooth and does not have skin folds. Now, if you're going to have skin folds there, then definitely your eyeliner is going to be like a little crooked. To get that smooth and finished and sharp liner, you have to look straight in the mirror, again I'm saying, and look downwards and smoothen the skin. And this is how I got my both reversed wing liner. Next, I'm going to take this light blue shade from the same palette and apply it on the inner corners to the center of my eye on my lower lash line with an angled brush. And next, I'm going to take this dark blue shade and apply it on the reversed wing liner that I applied before with a liquid eyeliner. I'm doing this so that the color looks intensified, quite blended, and I kind of wanted that light to dark blue kind of look. And then I'm going to take this white kajal from Lakme and apply it on my waterline. Once I'm done with my white kajal, I'm going to apply mascara. The mascara that I'm using is by Sugar Cosmetics. I'm going to apply it both on my upper as well as lower lash line. And then I'm gonna contour my face using L'Oreal Paris Glam Bronze Duo. And then I'm going to highlight my face using Kylie Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Cotton Candy. Now, I don't want to apply blush because I wanted the whole concentration on my lips and eyes, and I felt it's going to be too much to add more colors to my face. So yeah, I skipped on the blush, and then I'm going to apply lipstick. The lipstick that I'm using is by Swiss Beauty Lip Cream in the shade Peach, and this is a really peach neon shade which I really liked. Once I was done with makeup, I felt like I should amp up my hair a bit. So therefore, I parted my hair in two sections and combed it till it's smooth. And then I will be taking random sections from my hair and I'm gonna soft curl it. This ways a lot of volume will be added to my hair, and also I'll be getting that trendy college girl kind of a look. Once I'm done with the curling, I'm gonna shake my hair straight from the root so that it adds more volume, and you can see yourself how instant difference it has made to my look and my face. And next I'm gonna apply PAC Cosmetics Eyelashes. And guys, this is the finished and the complete look. I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked the look. If you like, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Comment down your views below, and I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.